Alright guys, so what's up? We're out here at Home Depot right now at the rental place right here because so basically my friend Gigi, she's picking up in San Diego a Aprilia 660 sport bike today. She's driving back and she wants me to pick up some motorcycle ramps because they're closing. I mean, they're already closed actually. So well, I came here and picked up some motorcycle ramps, but I don't think I have the right car for this because this was a mish to fit this in, but oh, look at this. It was impossible almost, but I made it happen. So good thing I don't have a passenger seat. Let's go get this Aprilia. All right guys, so we're back inside. The top is closed and everything. We're all strapped back in. So let's check that out. Like that fitment though, look at that. Probably better fitment than my car. Look at that. Pretty crazy. All right, let's hopefully this doesn't shatter my windows while I'm driving. Let's make sure we don't apex it too hard. So I went to Trader Joe's also, and then yeah, I could barely fit the baguette in my car. Look at this. These are where the water bottles are, and the Trader Joe's bag is like down there somewhere. If you can see it, I don't even. Oh, this car is too tiny. All right, guys, what's up? So the Aprilia is here. We got the ramps. We're about to take it off, and then look at this bike. Look how pretty it is. Alright guys, so we got the Aprilia off the ramp. Here my friend Gigi right here. It's her bike. She got the new Aprilia. Congrats on the bike. So
Thanks to the strong dude.
oh, that was so hard to get it down, but this thing is insane. Alright, let's take her on a little spin, right? Alright guys, what's up? Let me turn it off. So we just took the Aprilia on a little test drive. It's a 660RS, that's what it is, yeah. But this thing is honestly so fun. Like, check this thing out, guys. Such a fun bike. It's like my DRZ that I used to have. It's really torquey and like, but it revs out and there's like power up top. It's really weird. I think it's a V twin, but this thing is honestly gorgeous, guys. But yeah, guys, let's go back and let Gigi ride it because she hasn't even ridden it. So yeah, guys, peace out. Alright, so me and Gigi she's on her new Aprilia. I'm on her old Ninja 400. We're about to go on a little cruise, right?
Yes,
about to try your bike out for the first time. Let's see it. Let's go. I'm on the slower one, of course, but look at that thing. Gorgeous, bro. Oh, that Aprilia is beautiful, though. Alright, let's run it. Turn them on. Woo! Woo! Alright, so we just got back from our ride. It was so cold, especially wearing like only this and no gloves. My hands are freezing. But this thing is fun. Rips around. Topped it out real quick.
Bro, my whole body was shaking.
What'd you feel? How do you feel about your new bike? Oh, this thing is gnarly. Is it fast? What do you think? How is it different from your old bike?
So much faster.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Feel more confident on it when you have that extra power?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you were zipping on it pretty good. You. Oh, it's cooling itself down. Very snarly. Hi guys, good morning. I'm having the morning cup of coffee real quick, but yeah, we're gonna go on a ride today on that Aprilia that we picked up with my friend Gigi. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Gonna get some GoPro footage, gonna get some sick shots. Gonna take the baby out. Get to it with a nice warm day out today, so you can see. Gorgeous out today. Getting all the camera equipment ready. Got all the GoPros and the little mounts. I need to get a helmet mount still, like so I can mount it probably and do moto vlogging. So I can mount it right here. So I'm gonna have to find a right mount for the AGV and then get a mic set up inside and everything. So that's gonna be fun. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's put some GoPros on and then let's go on a ride. Let's put the race suit on and then let's get to it. Getting into this shoot. This is the worst, but it's worth it because it keeps you safe, guys. Make sure you always wear your gear. Let's do a little startup and She hasn't been started in like 2 weeks, I think. So she's gonna be excited. Guys, so the bike made it out. She's outside now. Let's do the first startup in a while. Let the fuel pumps go real quick and then. Ooh. Starts right up. Look at this little thing right here. A Yamaha Zuma. Thing's probably faster than that thing, definitely. Alright guys, let's go on this ride. There's Gigi. Let's peek. She's supposed to be here. Let's go find her. Guys, so Gigi's pulling up right now on her new bike during the day. Look at that. It looks so much different during the day. What's good? Look at this thing, guys. It shines during the day. Oh my god. Look at that thing. So sick. During the day, it looks beautiful, bro. GoPro. And she's like, what is this thing? We're gonna get some GoPro footage right here right now. I need a helmet mount, but yeah, we're gonna get some crazy footage right now with the Hero 9. So let's go on a ride, guys. Woo! We're all suited up, as you can tell. We got the GoPro on for some footage, and let's go on a ride, right?
I am not suited up.
But I usually have a shirt. You have to wear some gear, you know?
But I got
you have some gear.
I think I'm.
I think we're good. Yeah. Let's go. Woo! Say what's up. Let's go on it.
Looking for a way from this time. And you're too far away to help me now. So I'm counting down the days to get out. 'Cause I need to learn to forget.
Look at this straight, and I'm gonna do a mob right here. Woo! right here. We got this. We got that. Overpriced Malibu gas. Right? Hey, let's go. Let's get some freaking action shots. Watch this speed.
Decay more slowly than stationary particles. As strange and counterintuitive as it seems, time dilation is a law of nature.
We're out here in Malibu with Gigi. We just got smoothies at Sun Life. You know, so I'm just chilling after that ride, relaxing with the bikes. So nice. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for more crazy riding videos. The multi-strut, I think. Look at that thing, the carbon on it. Time to go ride.